Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. So today's video, I thought I'm just gonna do the easy daytime glam makeup look. I'm not gonna be reviewing any items or anything because I did so many review videos in a row that I forgot to do any makeup tutorials. I'm gonna start as always by priming my eyelids. So for that, I'm just gonna go with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C2 and basically just go on the mobile lid, blend it out, and set with a setting powder. Just gonna quickly set with a setting powder. The reason I'm setting it, you don't necessarily need to though. I'm setting it because my eyes are super hooded and oily, so if I'm not gonna do it now, it's just gonna go to the crease. But if your skin is not oily or your eyes are not hooded, you could just go straight on with the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow today, I thought I'm just gonna use a palette that I haven't used in a while, and that is the NYX Lingerie eyeshadow palette. As I want to do like a daytime glam, I want it to be kind of nude-ish but still glamorous. So we're gonna do a little bit of a cut crease look, but not over like in your face cut crease. So I think I'm just gonna start with this color as a transition. Just taking on a fluffy brush and going higher than my creases. Ooh, I forgot how pigmented this palette is. Okay, we're gonna need to do some blending here. So I think I'm just gonna take a smaller brush, a bit more dense, and go with this brown color. Concentrate on the outer corner, on the transition color, so like higher when the crease is, and then just drag it to the inner eye corner. Now we're gonna blend it obviously. Taking a fluffier brush. I'm just gonna take a small dense brush. This one is a spot liner brush by Sashka. Take a little bit of the concealer on the brush and clean up the cut crease part. So I'm cleaning higher than my natural crease would be, as I want to see the transition color that we just did. Not bothered much about the outer corner, as we're gonna add a little bit more color in there. Next step we're gonna do, we're not gonna set the concealer with a setting powder, but we're just gonna go with the eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go with this peachy color. And for the outer corner, I'm gonna go with this brown. I actually did another makeup look using this when I did a review for this palette, so it's in my description box if you wanna check it out, guys, later. Now just a tiny bit on the brush and back on the outer corner. And just blend it. I'm kind of dragging the color what's left on the brush through the crease just to blend these colors together. And I'm not much worried about the outer corner because I'm gonna take the wet wipe and just gonna clean this part. So I got the wet wipe and just gonna clean any fallouts, although we have barely any, and tidy up the edge in here. I love it's a bit of dramatic cut crease going on. So for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go with this warm orangey color that we use as our transition. For my mascara, I'm just gonna go with NYX because I feel like I'm using all NYX makeup today. So I'm gonna go with NYX Worth the Hype Mascara. Been obsessed with this one recently. By the way, I'm not gonna put anything on my top lashes as you noticed probably. I have the lash extensions. If you don't have any lash extensions and you're going for more of a daytime look, go with mascara, just curl your lashes with eyelash curler first. If you're going for evening, nighttime look, then go with the falsies, whatever you prefer more, or you find it easier. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look beautiful with both options. So I'm gonna use Worth the Hype for my lower lash only. get mascara on. I don't like it to be too chunky on my lower lash line, so I use this brush by Real Techniques. Brushing lashes by the way while mascara is still wet, so I kinda can take off all the excess. And the eye makeup look is complete. Honestly, that was super quick and super easy. It doesn't require much technique or skills or anything. Honestly, super easy to recreate. So I'm gonna quickly jump in and apply the rest of the makeup. At the moment, I'm obsessed with Makeup Revolution Pore Blur Primer. I did a review for this. I'm gonna link in the description box so you guys can check it out. I have massive pores, so this thing helps me a lot. Big pores and oily skin. The joys. And for my foundation, I'm going again with the NYX product. Honestly, it's almost the one brand makeup tutorial. I could have done that actually. So for my foundation, I'm going with NYX Can't Stop One Stop Foundation in medium olive. Gonna set it with the same setting powder I used before, NYX HD Finishing Powder. We just need to contour a little bit, highlight, and do lips, and we're done. So for the contour, I thought I'm gonna not go with a NYX for a change and go with a e.l.f. Total Face palette. I've been loving this palette, by the way, can you tell, especially the contour part. I'm just gonna take some. Gonna highlight quickly, gonna go with Anastasia Glow Kit in Ultimate Glow. I'm gonna use the color White Sand, my favorite color. You'll see why I say it's my favorite in a second, because I use so much. That's why it's my favorite. I'm like literally hitting a pan already. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a snow for the inner eye corner. Okay, so the last thing left to do is to apply some lipping. I'm gonna use this combo, so it's retractable lip liner in Sun Beige and the liquid lipstick Lingerie by NYX. I like to fill in my lips fully with a lip liner, by the way. And the look is complete. What's your thoughts on it, guys? Leave a comment down below, let me know. So what do you guys think of the finished makeup look? Yay or nay? Honestly, this was super fast. It might not be everyone's cup of tea for the daytime look. If so, here you go, the evening makeup look for you guys then. But I do love makeup and I do love experiment with makeup, and this would be for me my daytime look. Although I do sometimes very barefaced, imagine that, I do, that happens actually. I do sometimes very barefaced and less everything, but I do like to look like this daytime. Is that bad? I don't think so. But the fact is that it took almost no time to complete this eye makeup look. Honestly guys, you've seen it. Super easy, super fast, and this palette, by the way, is so super pigmented. I kind of neglected this palette. I haven't been using it for a while, so I was like, I gotta create something using it. Plus the colors are so nice. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this super quick makeup tutorial. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Honestly guys, that would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you soon in my next video. By the way, leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see, more review videos or more tutorials, and I'll see you soon. Bye, ciao for now.